Mint, one of the most refreshing herbs you can grow at home or enjoy in your favorite dishes. Let's dive into why this vibrant green herb is so special. Mint is incredibly easy to grow, even for beginners. Whether in a garden or a pot, mint thrives almost anywhere.
Sweet.
It's a low-maintenance powerhouse for your kitchen. Add a sprig of mint, and watch it transform your meal or drink. From salads to smoothies and cocktails, it's the perfect way to bring a burst of freshness to any dish. Did you know mint is great for your health? It can help with digestion, ease headaches, and even boost your mood. Just sip some mint tea and feel the benefits. So, whether you're looking to spice up your meals, relax with a cup of tea, or grow a simple herb garden, mint is the perfect choice. Add mint to your life today and experience the magic it brings to your kitchen and your health. Thanks for watching. Visit our shop, ebuy24.shop.